Kel again, and we are back in the kitchen, and this week we are making risotto. Do you know what risotto is? Not until recently I thought it was rice, but it is actually a pasta. And I fell in love with this dish after watching way too many episodes of Hell's Kitchen with Gordon Ramsay. If you watch that show, please leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. And so I became curious as to how to make it. So I've researched some YouTube videos and some different recipes, and I've finally come to my own little way of making it. So if you want to learn how to make risotto, risotto is a great side dish. It can also be souped up to be a meal, but tonight I'm making it as a side dish to go along with my to go along with my Dijon salmon. And if you want to know how to make my Dijon salmon, please click the link here for that video. So we're gonna make the risotto, and that's gonna be one of the side dishes to go with our salmon. And then along with that, I'm also going to have a side of mashed sweet potatoes. So if you wanna learn how to make risotto, stick with me and I'll walk you through here in just a minute. Stay tuned. So in my pot, I have about 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit of olive oil. And to this, we're going to saute about 3 cloves of garlic. Once the garlic becomes fragrant, we're going to go ahead and add our dry risotto. You can find risotto in the pasta rice aisle of your grocery store. And we're going to saute this risotto in our garlic and butter and olive oil mixture just until it becomes a light kind of golden brown. Once it turns kind of a light golden brown, we're then going to begin adding our chicken stock. The key to risotto is having warm chicken stock. You need to add warm chicken stock to the risotto, a ladle at a time. Let that chicken stock absorb, and then add a little bit more until you cook the risotto until it's about al dente. You'll basically need a lot of arm muscle to make this dish work, and you'll just be doing a lot of stirring and keeping an eye on it. Towards the end, you will then go ahead and add your different toppings and season to your taste. To my risotto tonight, I'm adding salt, pepper, a little bit of parsley flake. I've also added in some lemon juice as well as the zest of 1 lemon. And that's our risotto. As a bonus for you guys, I'll go ahead and share with you what I did for my mashed sweet potatoes. So I peeled and cut up into big chunks my sweet potatoes and put them in a pot of water and boiled them until they were soft. Afterwards, I went ahead and took those sweet potatoes out of the pot and put them into a bowl and pulled out the good old masher, and a little bit of that water I boiled them in and started mashing until they were smooth. To this mixture, I added some salt, pepper, a little bit of cinnamon, and some brown sugar, and that's my sweet potatoes. Well, that is our risotto. So basically, like I said, you can add more ingredients to it to make it into a full meal if you wanted to. Some people will finish it off maybe with some cooked shrimp and some mushrooms and really make a meal out of it. For our meal tonight, we're just having it as a side dish, so I didn't add any additional things besides the lemon zest, the lemon juice, and the parsley to my risotto tonight. But there are so many different combinations, so many different things you can add to it to make it your own. So I encourage you to give this little side dish a try and maybe add some more unique ingredients to it to make it your own. So if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you make this dish, don't forget to tag me on your photos or your videos on Instagram. And until next time, guys, I look forward to seeing you soon again in the kitchen. Take care. Bye-bye.